Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you what I got in my Chic Beauty Box for February of 2024. I believe this is the February-January box. I don't think it's February-March because usually I get it the second month of the quarterly, so it's like it's a January and February box, but I get it in February. So I'm pretty sure that's what this is. So this was sent to my P.O. box, of course, by Chic Beauty themselves. Thank you guys so much for sending this over. I've actually started to really love this box, and this is another really good month, so I'm very excited to show you what I got in here. If you enjoy these types of videos from me, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much. Also, happy Valentine's Day. I am wearing the brand new Valentine's collection from Ofra. Use code Connor for 20% off your purchase, which you're not going to see this on Valentine's Day, but just know it's Valentine's Day, hence the side boob coming out. Hence this. Excuse the hair because I'm not going anywhere, let's be real, okay? Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, before I open this up, I need you to hit the like button and the subscribe button because it's not going to open unless you do that. I'm just kidding, but like and subscribe. Heart. Okay, so Chic Beauty Box. Usually you get a card that actually tells you the products in here and the price, but I don't have that. I just have one of these little cards here, so I don't know. First up, I want to show you that we got this product right here. This is from Beauty for Certain. I feel like I've heard of this brand, but I'm not 100% sure. Sounds familiar. Again, not 100% sure. We have a BFC, Beauty for Certain, cream blusher in number 27. So here is the color. This is actually a really pretty color. Hold on. Ooh, okay. So she's very, 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 how would you explain the way this feels? It's definitely hard, but not hard. It feels like you're putting your finger into like a lip balm, so it's not like super soft, which could be a good thing. It's a pretty, really pretty bright color, perfect for like spring and summer. I'm just going to swatch like right here, and that's the color. I bet this would be really good for like your lips as well. Ooh, and for underpainting, for anyone who is like super, super fair skinned, this would be a good underpainting color. So this is what it looks like when you buff it out. It definitely doesn't feel like anything, actually. I wonder if it transfers. Hold on, let me see. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if that was my lipstick or what, but this is actually really pretty, and I do want to give this a try. So very, very excited about that. Next product we have in here is from Physicians Formula. This is the Rose All Day Petal Glow Petal Pink Blush. Let me just take a look. It looks like it might be too dark. I'm not entirely sure. You know, I can't get into the packaging. I'm just gonna rip it. Okay. I've never actually tried their products before. I've bought some in the past, but I've never actually used them. Is there like a bottom to this? I feel like there is. Oh, okay. There's this. Do they all come with this? I don't know. I've never used them. But here's the shade. Super pretty. This is golden. Absolutely not gonna work for me, but here it is. It looks more like a bronzer. If you like buff it out, it could make like a really pretty body glow or like a décolletage shimmer, if you will, for me. But as a blush or anything on my actual face, this is way too dark, but it is beautiful. Then we have this product here from Project Lip. This is a plump and full fill lip liner. Okay. Let's see what this color looks like. Let's pick a spot. Let's go over here. I don't really know how you would classify this as a lip liner because it's like huge, but it's very, very creamy. Like, it is creamy. It's actually a very beautiful color. It looks just like my Ofra ones right here. Like, they look like they're like all sisters. Okay. We also have here a slim brow pencil from the brand Physicians Formula. Okay, this is in the shade Taupe, which is gonna work for me. This is my shade. And here we go. Here it is. You get a spoolie. It's really pretty. Ooh, the packaging is like an ombre effect. Okay. Let's give it a swatch. Uh-oh. She's dry. Hold on. Alright. Okay, so you're gonna really have to let it warm up on your skin because she's a little bit dry. Like, but once you get going, she starts to go. Okay? There's a lot going on in the hallway. Okay, so yeah, I will definitely give that a try in the future, and hopefully it's good and it's not like too dry. Lastly, we got a palette from Ace Beauty. Is it Ace Beauty or Ace Beauty? I feel like it's Beauty because it has the over it. I've never really like fully known. But I actually just did a video with an Ace Beauty palette from February's IPSY icon box, which it turned out beautiful. So this is the Flare palette, based off of what Noelle said because she saw this already. She said this is like an older palette, but I don't care because I've never seen it before. Oh, look at the colors. These colors are actually super fun. If you guys want to see me do a look with this palette or multiple looks, let me know in the comments and your girl will do them because I've already done 2 this month from subscription boxes, so I'm on a roll. Also, this green, I just have to swatch it. That's a bright color. Okay. With a white base, this is going to be a pop. Oh, you can see all my strokes now. I was like, wait, who scratched me? Hold on. Now that we're swatching, I want to do all of these. Gosh, the way they swatch just on the fingers, so nice. Ooh, that's a beautiful mustard. Okay, hold on. Let's do pumpkin, this orange shade. It's giving fall. And I'm here for it. Okay. Very excited. Please suggest that you want to see me do looks with this. And then I'll do them. So anyways, that is everything that I got in my Chic Beauty Box for the January and February of 2024. Definitely let me know if you get the subscription. I don't know like really anyone that gets it. I know I've seen like thumbnails of other YouTubers that have opened it, which I assume is probably getting it in PR like I am. I've been actually receiving Chic Beauty Boxes on and off since like 2021, maybe 2022. I cannot remember. But I feel like they're getting better. I know that I saw someone have a NARS palette for this month and I'm like, where's my NARS palette? But I'm actually so excited about these. Like, the stain on my finger right now, well, it's not stain, it's just, you know, is gorgeous. So I'm very excited to play with these. So again, thank you, Chic Beauty Box. Keep sending them. Send me everything. Send me it all, okay? No, I'm just kidding. I am very grateful. Thank you so much. But anyways, thoughts, comments, likes, subscribes. Ow, I hit my hand. My son's bunk bed is right here. It's a whole thing. Anyways, happy Valentine's Day. Love you guys so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.